Welcome to your first mock interview, Priya. Let me just quickly introduce to our panelists. So, we have Abad sir and Taruna Basu ma'am with us. Taruna Basu ma'am is the Associate Director and Head of the Department of School of Fashion Design at UID. And Abad sir is the Business Head of Pahel Design and Management Expert with more than 12 plus years of experience. So, all the best,
Thank you
Priya.
so much.
Over to you, Abad sir.
So
Yes.
Priya, just wanted to have idea about what is your background and why did you choose this program, and what are the subjects you choosing in it?
So my background is I have done fashion designing, 3 year diploma in fashion designing from JD Institute of Fashion Technology, and as I did fashion designing, and in the last semester, as it was all about management, so I found myself more inclined towards merchandising and marketing. So that is why I thought of doing the fashion management. And in future I want to start my own business, so I guess the managerial talent and all the subjects that I will study in fashion management will help me uh, build my business in future.
Okay. So what are the specialization you looking into? I mean, MFM.
So mostly I'm looking into merchandising because the first I want to gain some experience. Without experience, obviously, if I start my business, I'll be having no idea how to do. So firstly, I want to go into merchandising, and if things work according to me, then yeah, I will think of doing business.
Do you know any new startup people? I mean, any two brand which is new startup in India?
Startup brands.
Have you got any inspiration from somewhere? I mean, how do you think your brand will success? How do you have got the idea of this?
So actually, I had this idea of doing business. You're talking about business, right, sir?
Mm.
Yeah. So actually, mother business I want to start is a multi-designer store. In Lucknow, we don't have any such store where we can get uh, clothes of different designer in one boutique.
Mm.
So I got this idea from a brand called Aza, which is in Delhi, Bombay, and but in Lucknow we don't have any such brand. So in Lucknow there is one startup. Yeah, in Lucknow there is one startup known as Hunar. She has a multi designer store. She has different brands like Masaba, Papa Don't Preach, and then Gaurav Gupta. She has all these brands in one unit. So I can go and I can see and choose whatever dress, or it also have different prices. So it starts from like 20,000 and it goes till 5 lakh. So this is the idea I got.
Right. Okay. So, do you know any of the NIFT alumni very famous as a designer? Any two name?
So Sabyasachi and Rohit Pal.
Okay. What they
Rohit
are
Pal,
specializing?
Rohit Pal is not a NIFT alumni.
Okay. What are their specialization?
So Sabyasachi is in traditional designer wear, and Rohit Pal, I'm not sure.
We'll share the feedback. Ma'am, over to you.
Okay. All right. There's a very famous creative designer duo from Lucknow who work extensively with chicken curry and many other things. So, can you tell me the name of one of them?
One designer of Lucknow.
Yeah, they work from Lucknow, very popular across India. And I can give you another clue. Apart from being a designer, he is multifaceted in many other things also, involved in many other forms of art.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know, but yeah, I would like to enlighten myself.
Yeah, that's Muzaffar Ali and Mira Ali from Kotwara. And
Famous Mira. She's actually a designer for this, right? Even Manish Tripathi is also one of the good designers.
I didn't know,
There,
sir, but yeah, I will do my research on that.
yeah. So there are a lot of traditional textiles or embroideries that happen in Lucknow. Them or
Yes,
whatever
ma'am,
you
chicken
do
curry.
apart from that.
And apart from that,
All right, no worries. So you've already you're doing your fashion designing currently, right? You're in your final year.
yes, ma'am.
So did you use any traditional textile from India in any of your projects?
Ma'am, I used chicken curry. Actually, we had an assignment on embroideries only, where we learned about different embroideries like kashida kari, kanta, and chicken curry, and mochi bharat. So we had to make that khakha, and then on that we have to do embroidery. So yeah, a little bit I have done about 5 to 6
But you haven't
embroidery
used it in any project,
I have used in my project.
or like a garment or something you made, or
No,
just a
ma'am,
sample.
just samples and about them, where they come from, where they originated.
So, in case you go ahead with your dream of starting this multi-designer outlet, name five dream designers you would want to showcase in your store.
One is Papa Don't Preach. I just love the outfits, and one is Basaba. One is Sabyasachi, and one is let me think, I'm not getting the name. It's from
It's from.
R. Uh, not getting the name. And one maybe, ma'am, some local economic brands, not just all high-end brands, few local brands also, like FLM. They have very economic prices with good garments.
Okay. You said you were interested in merchandising, and or at least you want to know more about it. And have you had some experience of working in for an internship or something, and seeing what a merchandiser does firsthand?
Actually, I did, but then it was only a 1 week's internship because of COVID, so I'm not able to learn much about it.
But you worked as a merchandiser there,
Yes.
and you want to take more experience. Um, I think that's about it for now. We'll start with the feedback then.
That's right.
Priya?
So, from my point of view, I guess Priya, you're okay with your postures, you're okay with your the presentations, which is actually important for a person going for MFM, and your communication is also good. Rest of the things you need to learn the basic ideas of industry people, the people who are working into industry, and also knowledge of the product they are offering. Would it be helpful for you in the future or not? Right. Rest of thing, I guess you're okay with it, and will definitely improve if we ask to your mentors. Ma'am will also enlighten the feedback.
Well, yeah, Priya, I think you came across quite confident and knowledgeable to a certain extent initially. I think most of the questions either you knew, you told very clearly. If you didn't know, also you said very clearly. So I think as an interviewer, we like that sort of a clarity that comes. So great. Just know more about the industry a little bit more, but you were clear about all the brands and this and that. That's it. I think it went fine. Just go
Ma'am,
ahead further and improve.
yeah, I had one question, ma'am. Ma'am, please suggest me on what thing should I work to make myself better.
I think awareness is the important key right now. The rest, when you get started with your course and you get involved in it, I think personally, I would say any student is go beyond the brief. You all choose your fields, but what happens is the moment you choose your field and you enter, and you then become very assignment oriented. So, you know, I feel you should always not forget why you were here in the first place. You should not be dependent on someone leading you. You have to be the leader first. Yeah, they are there to support you. But if you go with the same mentality that we were in a school and we just go with a blank head and what the teacher says we'll absorb, that's the only advice I would give to anybody actually, because that will make a big difference. Being an initiator, a very small little feedback, it's not so important, but I just feel that if you can just kind of do something to your hair and make it more
Yes,
open, it will
yes, ma'am.
enhance your face, because end of the day you're also in a little bit of a
Yes,
uh,
ma'am. Actually, I was not well. That is why I dyed my hair, and
all right,
obviously it is
it's
oily.
it's all it's a
The
future
day
uh,
I on the day, obviously I'll shampoo my hair and do some nice hairstyle.
yeah, because your face right now we're not looking at what you're wearing, etc., and so it's just the face we're seeing constantly. So that's a little bit of a thing, and just look at your setting behind. Maybe the chargers can go.
Oh,
Yeah, it has to be a little bit more perfect.
yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Priya. I hope you work on the feedback given by our panelists, and
Yes,
we'll get
ma'am.
back to you in the next mock PI. Thank you.